If we want to understand our thinking, we should start asking, which game are we playing? Or which game we are thinking we are playing? Go through a cartography of the game. The game is me and the world. The universe, as Steiner states, appear to us as two opposites, I and the world. But the circle of the experience is me and the world together. I feel, I watch, I experience the world, I know the world, that is, I think about the world, and I act. I receive input, I elaborate input, and I act out, the output. That is, my life is a circle of experience. The game is a circle. Me, the world, and what I do to the world. That is, we can say there are three parts in me: the feeler, the knower, and the doer. The feeler feel and receive the information from the world. The knower elaborate the information, and the doer act on the world, putting out information. We name this the organismic triad: knower, doer, feeler. But what is missing? Is missing the observer. I can observe myself doing, feeling, and knowing. The introduction of the observer change our game, change the experience, introduce the concept of state of consciousness. I can just watch. I observe the moon, for example. I observe the object. Outside I see the world, me and the world. But I can also observe myself, what I feel, what I think, and what I do. Considering the self-observer help us to introduce a difference which make the difference. We can pass, I say, from the world of knowledge, I see the moon, to the world of awareness. I observe myself observing the moon, and this changes the game. We can say the first attention, I watch the moon and I feel me and the moon separate. The second attention, I observe myself observing the moon. This opens the world of awareness. This opens myself to be aware that I am not my thinking. I am not the observed object of thinking. What is missing? The observation. We can introduce another level. We started from the observer, or better, we start from the knower, then to the observer, then to the self-observer, and now we introduce the concept of observation. We can say the observation, observe myself observing the moon. Here 3 different words. I observe the word of knowledge. I observe myself observing the word of awareness. And the observation, observe myself observing. The observation, observe myself observing, thinking, feeling, and doing. This is the 5th element. This is the unifying element. This is the game. Me and the world are one, connected by the feeler, the knower, the doer, the observer. This observer can observe or observe himself or let the observation observe himself. 3 different worlds, 3 different systems of knowledge.